Personally, I feel the two-row button accordion is an incredibly versatile instrument. It's an incredibly fun instrument to play. I love it. My mum came from Newcastle West and Dad came from Kilfinny, and both their dads played fiddle, so there was music on both sides. Couldn't escape it, thankfully. How I got to play, my uncle left his accordion in our house at home, Joe Hickey. So I just started in his accordion and I managed to knock the first part of the Sally Gardens out of it, and I just kind of fell in love with the box. I would have been influenced a lot by Donny Nolan and a lot of West Limerick accordion players, but for years before that I would have been listening to music every day, and it was really clear to me, I suppose, when I was that age, I want to do that. When I was 18, I started playing with Arcady. Playing with Arcady was my first real experience of travel. Still remember that first trip to the States. It was incredible. I was 21 when I joined Aitheantas, and there was a lot of travel involved with that band, and got to see some amazing places too, you know. I've met some absolutely stunning people through music, and I just want to continue to meet people and play tunes with them, and to teach music as well. I love to try and pass on the music to people who want to learn. For a good few years now I'm teaching music at the Irish World Academy here in Limerick, and I really love teaching, love meeting the students.
Well, I know Derek since he was a garsoon. We'd be playing and you'd know he was going to be great, you know. He was always brilliant to pick up tunes at a young age. He was really fast to get tunes into his head, you know, so he's developed into a great musician, a brilliant technical ability, and has developed his own unique style over the years. So, congratulations, Derek.
I feel incredibly lucky to be able to express myself through the creations of all the amazing people that have gone before me.
Congratulations, Derek. Tugann Gradam Ceoil TG4. Is SAOIL gach stíl den ceolgaileach, agus tá stíl álan farsanta ag a hénig. Congratulations, a chara.